install the 3monkeez ScrapTrap Shut Off Valve. It's important to only use a shut-off valve on a fully stainless steel scrap trap. Firstly, apply thread tape or thread sealant to your shut-off valve. Due to the shut-off valve handle, you cannot spin it around underneath the sink, so you'll need to place your hand into the sink while holding onto the shut-off valve and twist your scrap trap from inside. Once the scrap trap and shut-off valve joint is tightened, you'll then need to reseal your scrap trap into the top of the sink. Connect to your approved plumbing and your job is done. We trust this installation video has answered all your questions. If you have any more questions, please contact our Wise Advice or customer care team.